got it, Wayne.
That's awesome. Just trying to get my butt over there. I say Dominus can go to the...
oh my god.
What?
Resurrected Wyvern. Just out of nowhere.
Oh, there goes Fuego. Again. Are you dead?
Yeah.
The fob! I gotta remember I'm
yeah.
This is insane! It's insane. Oh, I can't wait to get my video card in here and play Eternal, please. Seriously, I'm looking forward to that more than I'm looking forward to playing with the. Oh my gosh, they're still fighting it. I'm gonna.
Alpha and Dominus was killed.
Damn it! We might lose everything, dude.
That's all right. It's not like that took anything to tame.
Oh my god, look at that thing. It's like invisible. Should I even get onto the? I can pick up the Alpha.
Try and get him, yeah. Try and get what you can.
He's not aggroed. Do you think he can take that on?
No. If it killed the Indominus, that's got no chance.
The Dominus was a 160. It wasn't doing anything.
It was just standing there? Taking it?
Yeah, it just took it.
What a dumbass.
Killed my freaking bird. I'm throwing down on it. Come on. It's just a game. It's just a game. There goes the trike. Damn it.
That's alright. Like I said, the trike took like all of 3 minutes to tame.
Oh!
What happened?
I knocked him out! Ha ha ha!
Sweet.
I killed everything I had, but I got the Fire Rex and the Alpha still.
Alright, well, get what you can and get back to base. Look, actually...
That sucked.
See if you can get...
Oh my god, this Elemental is almost dead. Like
Which one?
Oh my god.
The Elemental Fire Rex?
Fire Rex. Yeah,
keep your eye on him for a minute. I am encumbered.
Oh my god, that was freaking ridiculous. We lost everything.
Just about, didn't we?
I got some Dino Heart.
Oh, good.
Yeah, and some Eternal Kibble. Oh, cool.
From which? Oh, did you kill the Wyvern?
Yeah, we killed the Wyvern. We just went after it.
Oh, dude, that's amazing.
Well, I mean, come on. It was here. I wasn't going to...
I'm trying to run.
Yeah, I lost the poison. I lost the trike. So we lost the trike. We lost the
Pteranodon.
Bird. And we lost, I don't even know where Fuego came from because he wasn't even near us, I thought. The Rex. No, it's the Rex. No, that was me. I have 226. I put a couple healths just to see. The Rex has 235 levels. What do you level on a Rex like this?
Oh, crap. Something just landed in our base.
Oh, man. See, this is not working. Oh, my gosh. What was it? Please say it's not that Wyvern.
No. It's a Prime Saber.
Oh, it's a Prime Saber. Of course it is. I've got Prime... Oh, no. I have Eternal Kibble. Hey goes. Well, there goes the thingy. There goes a Rex. There goes a Rex. There goes the Yankee. Crap. Crap. Hang on a second. No, that's not it, because they'd ring the doorbell.
Gosh, everything right now is trying to get out of the base. I need another poison trike.
Oh shoot! That's either another Dominus or an alpha. Crap, dude! What am I supposed to do? Just sit on this beach?
Hang on.
You're fine. I mean, what are you gonna do, right?
Well, I'm trying. I'm gonna vamp.
I'm just gonna run. I'm just gonna run.
Just give me a minute here.
He didn't see me. He didn't see me. I see the Wyvern though. He's up in the sky. So I'm gonna hug this wall and try to get the hell out of here. I think I got past the shape. Oh, hold on a second, folks. Hey.
What is a Pteranodon tame with? Dodo kibble.
Tony, sorry about that. I had to kill that.
That's okay.
Kill what? I'm back at the base, and it came after me, and...
Oh, you were able to kill the...
Yeah, I was able to kill the thing.
Nope, that's perfectly fine.
I have 4,000 chitin. Anybody want to make some inting paste?
Hey, Wayne.
Yeah.
He's super low level, but I got us a poison Pteranodon.
That's pretty cool. Just stick around the alpha for a few days, he'll be fine.
Yeah. Let's see if I can craft this in Melvin. I should be able to.
Oh my gosh.
Sweet. Taming potion.
So, what's your verdict on this base here? Are we still good to go, or what do you want to do?
I don't know. I'm okay with it. Just need to, shore up some weak spots to keep prime.
Yeah, I don't know if you know this, though. Behind us, above us in the hole, you can get anywhere on the island. In fact, holy moly, dude, there's another feature up here.
Another what?
It looks like another Alpha Rex.
Really?
Yeah, you might want to get your butt over here.
Hang on, I'm a-coming.
I don't even know what to do about him. Oh. He's kind of stuck in a wall, too. He's like really... I can't tell because I have nothing, man.
I have some Tame XL on me.
I've got to gear up a little bit.
And my Pteranodon here has got...
How's the Alpha doing? He's pretty healthy. No, he's not. But he's got a lot of...
Hang on, I'm coming.
Yeah, let's see that. I'm going to pick up the Alpha and get the hell out of here. The other creatures will be okay in the box.
Oh, there's my beer. Okay.
No, I haven't even gotten that far yet. Thanks for the light.
What's that?
You brought the Pteranodon. He's light. He's
yes.
up here. I can see him from over here.
First things first. Healing potion on Alpharexy.
Oh, I didn't know you could do that. Oh, that's awesome. That's another thing I didn't know you could do.
Oh my gosh, it took him to full health.
That's awesome. Awesome.
Alright, I'm gonna pick him up.
Okay.
Alright, where you is?
I'm down here, but there
him.
he is. Yeah,
Whoa,
you see him?
That?
What is he? I can't tell from down here, and I don't have a spyglass on me.
Oh my gosh, that's a Dominus DodoRex.
Oh my gosh, is it really?
Do
we kill it? He's stuck in that wall.
We need to cap our hole here.
Well, yeah, I know that's one of the plans of many. Oh my gosh, dude. This thing is ridiculous. This whole freaking turtle thing is ridiculous.
Alright, here goes nothing.
Oh, are you going for him?
Yep.
Oh my, oh my, oh my. I don't know. Just wait and see how this goes. You stunned him. Are you torping him at all?
I don't know, get your
Get my what? Get my what? I gotta get some equipment, man. Oh, did he go down? No, he's just turned around. I hear something. Did he go down or run away? This is cool. Oh, this guy's so low level. Oh, I don't have a saddle. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Ha ha! Saddle, 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 saddle. Saddle up. Come on.
Okay, what is your deal here, buddy?
Oh, God, because he's... I can't just put a regular... Oh, that's an alpha. Never mind. Maybe that's why I can't do it.
I've got him like half torped.
Do the eternal things require special saddles? Obviously,
I don't know.
They obviously do because they won't take. He won't take the saddle. I don't know any of this stuff, you know. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, there's a poison giga up here. That's down.
That's down?
That's unconscious, dude.
Oh my gosh, why can't I make this saddle? Okay, let's just do this. Pet saddle. Yeah, that's gotta be what it is. I'm just being... I'm trying to get my butt up there if I can... Nope, can't do that. Okay, what do I need? What do I need? Hide fiber.
Okay. There's all sorts of awful things over here.
I know, that's what I'm telling you. It's crazy.
No, I'm looking at a beaver that's amazing looking.
Gosh, I pulled so much keratin off that thing. That was crazy. No, I don't have enough stuff. You knew. guess I do. Loud. Dude, we need like a little bit of everything.
Oh, the DodoRex is down. DodoRex is down.
What do you need? What do you need? What do you need?
I have no fracking clue, dude.
I'm gonna get some prime. I'm gonna get some mutton, and I'm gonna come up there.
It's a Dominus, so it probably needs something special that we don't have.
Well, let me get up there and see.
Can you put in the global chat that I have a Dominus DodoRex down?
I think Dizzy's watching anyway. Alright, where am I at? Dude, where are you? Oh, frick, get away from that.
I don't know where you are.
Nope.
No, Poison Giga, Poison Rex. Oh, God. Dude, there's no way we're doing this here. Alright, screw this. I'm coming back.
Oh, alright.
No, maybe not. I don't know. There's like
I just don't know where you are.
I don't know where I am. I wound up chasing him for so far. Ah, this Pteranodon is amazing, dude. I've hardly taken any damage, and I've hardly lost any...
We had to have been on the ground.
Oh, boy.
This map is so different. Whoa! What the frack is that? Oh, it's my death. That's what it is, dude. What the hell?
What?
I don't know yet. I'm just trying to get away from it.
Dude, I have no idea where I'm at.
That's alright. There's like death everywhere. Dude, I think I found you.
Well, I'm flying. I'm trying to find my way back to base. Okay.
Nope, that's not you. Oh, that's the Giga I saw. Okay, so I saw the Giga. Okay. I couldn't figure out what I saw. Must have been the Giga. Dude, I think we gotta pack up, go home, and find another place.
You think? Alright, I was up here where he was.
I don't know. I think Eternal's a little much for this server. Like, there's not enough space for this crap.
Okay,
Holy moly! Oh, that's a whole lot of death. Holy moly! Dude,
are you where the
poisons and?
Are you where that prime that poison? Actually, no, that's a prime, I think.
Oh no, I'm talking about there's another poison thing.
There's an eternal Giga here.
Oh fuck!
Ooh, he doesn't have much torpor.
Yeah, but neither do.
Frack!
Told you.
I hit the wrong damn button.
Poison Rex.
I'm down.
Guess.
Well, I'm gonna try and get up there on foot because I haven't seen.
All right.
Oh, there he goes. All right. All right. So I think I might have accidentally left him on passive. So.
Dude, the poison wyvern, the poison bird's not down. I died, but he didn't. Poison bird is not down yet, but I'm not sure I want to go up there again. No. Where are you going?
That thing is a level.
Whoa.
That's a level. It's like a level 40. It doesn't have a whole lot of.
Dude, the Alpha Rex just took a walk.
The Alpha Rex did?
Oh, you're on it.
No, I'm on it.
I'm like, what?
That was me. My bad.
What did you do?
I think I killed the thing.
Ours? I didn't
Yes.
know that we had. I didn't know we had a PvP.
Well, it's not, but friendly fire. Be prepared for a crap load of levels.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I see it. That was insane, man. This is very, very hard.
Yeah.
Are you killing that Rex? Yeah, you did.
Oh my god.
I know, right?
Dude, I just got like I just got 32 levels.
I just put my health up to 1,000. I still have more levels. Ooh, I'm gonna check these death bags. Ooh, Dino Blood. Armor. Yum.
Oh god, run.
I'm sorry, I was just getting that death bag.
Nope.
Apparently that was a mistake. And died. Dang it! I just got that death bag. Oh, I can't damn back either. Did you get the Rex?
I got him.
Is this fun? Are we having fun? Wow, Tony, I think it's a verdict's in. This is a cool place to play, and we're gonna have a lot of fun. But we need to much better place it.
Yeah,
I think
yeah.
we need a better place, folks.